2,200 calorie full day of eating as a calisthenics athlete with a mid physique. First thing in the morning, take my supplies just so I don't forget them. Rest from the gym but still gotta work the heart and lungs. Breakfast after a fasted cardio just makes you appreciate some of the good things in life. Can't go wrong with the sourdough and the cheekies. Trying to suppress my caffeine addiction, so switched out my coffee for a diet soda while working. A juicy lamb steak with homemade salt and pepper chips for lunch just hit the spot. I post recipes like this every week that fit your low calorie budget, so might as well drop me a follow. Recently discovered that ricotta is the perfect low calorie cream substitute, and I go through 5 tubs a week. A coffee brownie ninja creamy to finish off the day with 166 grams of protein in the bag.